Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are going to tackle a probability density function question that looks simple at first, but there is one important idea that can easily cost you marks in an HSC Mathematics Advanced exam. We are going to work through the question step by step, and more importantly, we are going to understand why this method works. So, before I reveal each step, pause the video and try it for yourself. So, how we will start this? We will start this as a continuous random variable has probability density function is probability density function is f of x equals kx, and 0 is less than x, theta is less than x, and x is less than 2. So f of x equal theta otherwise. So find the in the a part, first of all find the value of k. Other part is probability of 1 is less than or equal x and x is less than or equal to, and the value of the midden. So how we will solve this problem? We will solve this as we know that total area equals 1 in the probability. So we will solve this by integration from 0 to 2, and function is f of x dx and equal 1. So how this is solved this? We will solve from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, k of x d of x equals 1. Now we will solve this as it will become k of x square divided by 2 equals 1, and it will become 0. So we will solve this as apply the limit from 0 to 2. So in place of 2 we will substitute 2 square is 4, 4 by 2k, and minus 0 it will become 0. So this is 2 1 time 2 to 2 times 4, so this is 2k, and the value of k is 1 by 2. So this is our first answer. Now you know that k can be written with the actual probability. We will write this here. That now f of x equals x by 2, and 0 is less than or equal x and x is less than or equal to. After this we have the limits of probability. 1 is less than x and x is less than or equal to. So we will integrate this function from 1 to 2. So integrate from 0 to 2, 1 to 2, and we get x by 2 d of x. This is the 2 square by 4. So what will happen to this? So this will become 3 by 4. Therefore the probability is 3 by 4. So this will be the final answer. Now track at f of x equals 1. So what will be the answer? We get f of 1 equals 1 by 2. So highest value can be found out by this. Just you have to recall this formula, and the median is the value that divides the probability distribution into two equal parts. So what will happen? We have value of the probability right here equals 1 by 2, integrate from 0 to m x by 2 d of x equals 1 by 2, integrate this gives us m by 2, m square by 2 equals 1 by 4, m square equals 1 by 2. So m square plus m square by 4 equals 1 by 2. So we have the value of m square, that will be 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting question related to HSC and many other international exams. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.